Let us understand how we can convert non-terminating recurring decimal numbers into fractions. Non-terminating recurring decimals can also be called as non-terminating repeating decimal numbers. There will be 4 steps. Step number 1 is to keep only the repeating digits on the right side of the decimal. Step number 2, we need to bring a set of repeating digits to the left side of the decimal. Step number 3 is subtraction. Step number 4 is to simplify. Let's see how these steps work with a few examples. Example number 1. Here the number is 0.777 and the 7 continues. The same number can also be written as 0.7 bar. This bar denotes that the digit 7 keeps repeating. So we can start by saying let p by q, which is the fraction form, equals to 0.7 bar. Now you see the only digit that is repeating is 7 and it is already on the right hand side of the decimal. So first step is already done. We can call this equation number 1. In the second step, we need to bring one set of repeating digits to the left hand side of the decimal. So we can do that by multiplying 10 on both sides. So this becomes 10 p by q equals to 7.7 bar. Now you see one set of repeating digits on the left hand side of the decimal. So this is equation number 2. This is the end of step 2. Step number 3 is subtract. So subtract 1 from 2. So we will subtract LHS from LHS and RHS from RHS. So 10 p by q minus p by q is 9 p by q, which is equals to 7.7 bar minus 0.7 bar is just 7. Therefore, when we simplify in the last step, p by q will be equal to 7 by 9. Simple, 7 by 9. Let's look at another example. Here it looks a bit difficult, but it is not. Let's understand the number first. The number is 7.529. So you see 529, these 3 digits are repeating. So we can write this number as 7.529 bar. Let's see how we can convert this into a fraction. So we will say let p by q equals to 7.529 bar. So you see the digits that are repeating are already on the right hand side and only the repeating digits are on the right hand side. So step number 1 is already done. This is equation 1. In the second step, we need to bring one set of repeating digits to the left hand side of the decimal. Because here 3 digits are repeating, we can do it by multiplying 1000, 1 followed by 3 zeros on both sides. So this becomes 1000 p by q equals to 7529.529 bar. This is equation number 2. Third step is to subtract. So we will subtract 1 from 2. So upon subtraction, we will subtract LHS from LHS. So 1000 p by q minus p by q is 999 p by q equals to 7522. Therefore, when we simplify in the last step, p by q will be equals to 7522 divided by 999. See, the question looks difficult, but the solution is exactly similar to the previous case. Let's look at one more example. This is the most interesting example because you see in the decimal part of the number there is one digit which is not repeating, which is 4, and there is another digit which is repeating, that is 3. So we can write this number as 2.43 and the bar over 3. So because only 3 is repeating, 4 is not. Let's see how we can convert this into a fraction. So we will start as usual. So let p by q equals to 2.43 bar. Now see, the first step is to keep only the repeating digits on the right hand side of the decimal. So here we see that 4, which is not repeating, is also on the right hand side. We have to take it to the left hand side. We can do that by multiplying 10 both sides. So 10 p by q equals to 24.3 bar. Now we have only the repeating digits on the right hand side of the decimal, so this becomes equation 1. Now we have to bring one set of repeating digits to the left hand side. That we can do because there is only one digit that is repeating. We can do by multiplying 10 both sides. So 10 multiplied by 10 is 100 p by q equals to 243.3 bar. This is equation number 2. Step number 3 is subtraction. So we will subtract 1 from 2. So LHS minus LHS, 100 minus 10 is 90 p by q, which will be equals to 243 minus 24 is 219. Therefore, last step, simplify p by q, taking 90 to the from left hand side to right hand side becomes 219 divided by 90. Interesting question, same process, interesting answer. Hope you understand. Thank you.